All right, so let's get into it. Let's do the draw. Let's go for it. So we got two. I didn't know this existed, and neither did you, Tom? But we got two of these like Twitter picker and YouTube picker things. So long story short, this is going to randomize all of the entries, all of that stuff. I think we've had over like 50, 60 entries now. So pretty good.
Yeah, it's way bigger than we thought it would be. So yeah, thank you everyone that retweeted it and shared it and followed us and got involved, because yeah, it blew up a lot more. But it's great to see people that are keen to learn about this kind of stuff. Or they just want a free course.
Yeah, I think it was trending above Bitcoin at one point, wasn't it? But
it might be,
right. So basically, I'm going to put this in here, and then I need to click on load tweet. Man, people are on the edge of their seat, aren't they? So it loads this. So this is basically just so everyone can see that we're not sort of like, stiffing anyone or anything like that. Continue. So this is all the people. So thanks, obviously, everyone, to the people that shared and did all that stuff. Continue. Let's go. So we click begin draw, and then it will. So drum roll,
please.
God.
I feel like Anton Dex is amazing.
Oh, hang on. Oh, we did three. Why was it on three? Winners.
Someone,
two.
well,
it rejected somebody.
Somebody.
Oh, Ash.
Somebody's not following you.
Oh, so he got rejected. Sorry, Ash. At Davey3S. You should have followed me, pal. Maybe if you DM me, we'll give you an extra discount code or something. I don't know, but.
We fuck. Romeo Dunn _ aka
Romeo Dunn, Tommy, well done, and Mr. Tom Awaito. So you have won free access to the Honest Entrepreneurs. I feel like a radio host.
Yeah, that's a cheese.
All right, let's do the YouTube one then. Let's get to it. So, Tom, can you screenshot that? Can you see it? I'll leave it there anyway. All right, let's do the YouTube one. So we got the YouTube URL in here. Then we need to click on get YouTube comments. Number of unique comments. So there's only 19 entries on YouTube. I think there was 50 or something on Twitter.
Wow.
And then here we need to start raffle and pick a random winner. Wait, I need to make sure it's on 2 winners.
Right, great odds here. Was it 19 to 1? I'm no bookie, but is that right?
Oh, it could be, but I don't know if you can change this to 2. Actually, we can run it twice, though, can't we? If we get the same person.
Yeah.
Okay, so the winner is, imagine if it was the, all right, so well done, Wellesley558. I'm going to take a screenshot of this one because I'm going to have to run it again. And if it's Wellesley, then...
Big Wellesley.
Okay, big Wellesley. So let's pick another winner. Oh, he's tense. Wellesley again. What are the chances? All right, let's do it again. Let's keep going. The Honest Entrepreneur. Oh, Doctor, well done. You have won.
Mysterious. No display picture.
Yeah.
I love it.
Hang on. So it's Doctor and Wellesley. I'm just going to screenshot that. So
guys, while you're doing that, guys, we'll just say, obviously, well done to the 4 winners. Again, thank you for getting involved. We are going to launch the course right now. If you are watching this live at 10:30 p.m. GMT, the world's eyes are on this draw, we know. So we're going to launch a course. What we are going to do for the next 48 hours, just to kind of celebrate the launch of the course and also say thanks to everyone getting involved, we're going to offer 25% discount on the launch price, which is going to be $499. So a fair bit of discount. I don't do public math. I can't work out exactly what that is off the top of my head, but it's a pretty good discount. We'll put the link to that in this tweet and also in the YouTube description. So you can follow that. You've got 2 days to buy it. Look through as a video of the intro, what's included in the course. You can see all of the modules. There is a lot of modules. As we said, it is the most in-depth Amazon product research course on the market. We're not lying. It might kind of shock some of you how in-depth we went, but we think it's worth it. And if you have any questions about it, shoot us a DM, shoot us a message on YouTube, and we'll get back to you ASAP.
You can also email us at thehonestentrepreneurs@gmail.com if you've got any questions. So congratulations to Dr. Wellesley, not Dr. Wellesley, but Dr. Wellesley, Tommy, TW, Mr. Tomato. We will be getting in touch with you guys via DM, Twitter, YouTube, whatever it is. And we hope you enjoy the course. We'll see you all next time.